Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to explain you how light is reflected. Remember, in lenses, light is refracted or refracted. But in lenses, in mirrors, it is reflected. I am going to show you how light is reflected in a mirror. In this concave mirror, first of all we are going to work on the how light is reflected in concave mirror. I'm going to take the basic idea. Okay, if you send a light ray parallel to the principal axis, it will reach the optical axis. Okay, then it will be reflected through the focal point. Exactly, you have to make it go through the focal point. Okay, you have to be very careful. The exactness, you don't make the focal points very large. Okay, don't make the focal points very larger, right? You have to make the focal point to the size of the, see, I'm making the focal point to the size of the line. I'm not making it bigger than that one. So here the focal point. See the way I am sending the light ray up to the uh, optical axis. So let's draw the arrows here. Fine. Here. Here. So that is the outcome. If you send a light ray parallel to the principal axis, it will be reflected through the focal point. You have to draw this diagram. I'm going to draw you another diagram in a similar pattern. Okay, if you send the light ray parallel to the principal axis from the bottom of the principal axis, if you send the light ray parallel to the principal axis, you know that one, you have to go up to the optical axis, then it will be reflected in this manner to pass through the focal point. Remember, again telling you, you have to exactly pass it through the focal point. Okay, even see my one is not exact. I have an opportunity to adjust it because it's a vector graph. I can go on adjusting it. I can make it go correctly through the focal point. When you are drawing, use your rulers, okay, and draw it neatly. And let's complete the arrows this way. Okay, then this way. Okay, then this way. Fine. So this is going to be your second diagram. So two diagrams I have told you. Okay, how light is reflected If the light rays are coming parallel to the principal axis, they are reflected through the focal point, exactly through the focal point. Don't forget to bring the line up to the optical axis. If you don't bring it up to the optical axis, you in future the diagrams will not be correctly drawn. Okay, so think that one and draw them in the most correct way. Tomorrow inshallah we will work on certain new ideas on concave mirror. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.